Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 857 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Deloitte has partnered with NasdaqGM to help companies implement digital assets. Bitfarms has adjusted its HODL strategy, and CryptoStar has posted an operations update. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, as well as many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so professional services giant Deloitte and Bitcoin-focused financial services firm NasdaqGM, that's New York Digital Investment Group, have announced a strategic alliance to help companies of all sizes implement digital asset capabilities in their businesses. According to the press release, this will see NasdaqGM work with Deloitte's blockchain and digital assets practice across multiple areas involving Bitcoin products such as banking, consumer loyalty and rewards programs, employee benefits, and more. Yan Zhao, the president of NasdaqGM, explained, quote, "We envision a world where traditional financial infrastructure works alongside digital asset infrastructure to deliver clients a best-in-class experience with the highest standards of regulatory compliance. We've already started the journey of bringing Bitcoin to all by embedding Bitcoin wallets into existing user experiences, powering Bitcoin rewards programs, and enabling Bitcoin secured lending. Deloitte is the perfect collaborator to help companies take the next step to efficiently execute on these types of projects and meet customer demand with a high level of rigor." End quote. Bitfarms Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker BITF, has adjusted its HODL strategy so as to improve liquidity and strengthen its balance sheet. Over the past week, the firm sold a total of 3,000 Bitcoins for about $62 million USD, leaving its total Bitcoin holdings at 3,349, and with an average production rate of roughly 14 Bitcoins per day. Jeff Lucas, the CFO of Bitfarms, said, quote, "In consideration of extreme volatility in the markets, we have continued to take action to enhance liquidity and to deleverage and strengthen our balance sheet. Specifically, we sold 1,500 more Bitcoin and are no longer hodling all our daily Bitcoin production. While we remain bullish on long-term Bitcoin price appreciation, this strategic change enables us to focus on our top priorities of maintaining our world-class mining operations and continuing to grow our business in anticipation of improved mining economics." End quote. CryptoStar Corp., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker CSTR, has shared an operations update. As of June 20th, 2022, the crypto mining and data center operator boasts an aggregate self-mining hash rate of 93 petahash per second from ASIC miners and 136,850 megahash per second from GPU miners running at its data centers, which contributes $312,902 per month in self-mining revenue. Additionally, as of June 20th, the company held 649.12 Ether, 105.56 Bitcoin, and 1.9 million USD in cash. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.